Hello, standard children. Today we will discuss the Palanquin Bearer. This poem is for memorization. It is written by the poet Sarojini Naidu, an Indian poetess Sarojini Naidu. So just we will look into the introduction of the poet Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was born 1879 and she died in the year 1949. Well known as the Nightingale of India, Sarojini Naidu was also a famous English poetess. She was a political activist, played an active role in the freedom movement. She was the first woman to become the governor of Indian state after independence. Some of her major contributions are The Broken Wing, The Bird of Time, The Golden Threshold, etc. So, this is about Sarojini Naidu. Now, to see this, just look into the board, Palanquin Bearers, written by Sarojini Naidu. I'll just, in a short, wanted to tell about this. Palanquin Bearers expresses the joy and the pride of the palanquin bearers in carrying the bride to her husband's house. It was a privilege to be chosen as palanquin bearers. So there are some lines which says, she floats like a laugh, she falls like a tears, describe conflict feelings of a bride. So these palanquin bearers, in those days, the palanquin is used to carry the bride to her husband's house. So it was considered as a virtue to carry the bride to her husband's house. So those who carry her bride to the husband's house, they feel they are virtuous people. Now we start. The poem is for, I remind you, the poem is for memorization. You have to memorize the full poem from lightly oh lightly to last pearl on a string. 3 paras are there. All the 3 paras you have to by heart. You have to memorize. Now, lightly oh lightly we bear her along. She sways like a flower in the wind of our song. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. She floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. Gaily, oh gaily, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. Softly, oh softly, we bear her along. She hangs like a star in the dew of our song. She springs like a beam on the bow of the tide. She falls like a tear from the eyes of the bride. Lightly, oh lightly, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on the string. So very simple poem. Lightly, oh lightly. Lightly, oh lightly means very light-weighted. Lightly, oh lightly, we bear her along. We are carrying her along with us. She sways like a flower in the wind of our song. So while they are carrying the palanquin, they are singing. So it sways. When the palanquin bearers carry the palanquin, it sways like the flower. When wind comes, it sways. It moves. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. On the stream, you see foams. So it looks very beautiful. And the bird, they skims like a bird on the foam of the stream. Like a bird on the foam of a stream. She skims like that. She floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. She floats. She is very light-weighted and she is floating. She is floating like a laugh of the lips of a dream. Dream is always, usually it is very beautiful. We consider dreams as a beautiful moment. Whatever we cannot enjoy in our real life, we enjoy in our dreams. So the comparison of a dream is given here. She floats like a laugh. When you laugh in a dream, it is the most privileged moment. She floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. So like a dream like a smile in the dream, she is floating in our hands. Gaily, oh gaily, we glide and we sing. Gaily, oh gaily, happily and happily we glide and we sing. When you are carrying, we are singing. Happily and happily we are carrying her and we are singing. While we are carrying, we are singing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. Like a pearl on a string. So pearl is in a string. A pearl looks very beautiful. So like it goes through and forth. The pearl, if you put it in a string, it moves through and forth. So same way the palanquin is moving to and fro. Softly or softly we bear her along. Softly and softly we are carrying her very softly. We are carrying her very happily. So softly, oh softly, we bear her along. We are carrying her very softly, very carefully. She hangs like a star in the dew of our song. She hangs like a star. So stars are shining in the dew of our song. So dew is considered to be a pure. Dew is considered to be pure. The same way the bride here is like a shining. She is shining on the dew, a form of dew, like our song. So our song is very beautiful song. It is like it is very beautiful. It is shining, and the same way the bride in the palanquin is also very pure and she is shining. She springs like a beam on the brow of the tide. She springs like a beam. So springs like a beam. So here it refers to a stream. Brow means a curved shape of the tide. When you see sometimes when a stream water falls from the stream, you get a rainbow. Same way here it is refers to brow. So she looks very colorful. She looks very pleasant. She springs like a beam on the brow of the tide. So when you see on the tide, if you see a rainbow type shape, the same way the bride is also looks very pleasant. She looks like a brow on the tide. She falls like a tear from the eyes of a bride. She falls like a tear from the eyes of a bride. So the tear, why she refers to tear here? Because when a bride moves from her parents' house to her husband's house, she is leaving behind her parents. So her eyes are wet. So tears from the eyes of a bride. So tears from the eyes of a bride. She is crying because she is leaving behind her parents. She is moving to her husband's house. Lightly, oh lightly, we glide and we sing. Lightly, oh lightly, we glide and we sing. So one time she is happy that she is going to her husband. She will be joined to her husband, and on the other hand she is sad as she is leaving behind her parents. Lightly, oh lightly, we glide and we sing. We glide and we sing and means we are carrying and we are singing. We glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. So repeated rhyming words. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. She springs like a beam on the brow of the tide. She falls like a tear from the eyes of a bride. Lightly, oh lightly, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. So this is about the palanquin bearers who are carrying the bride and their experience, and they are describing the bride in the palanquin. But here they have used palanquin. but in the actual sense, the poem refers to the bride in the palanquin. The bride in the palanquin is described here. Her moods, and looking at her, what the feelings they are getting. They are feeling happily. They are carrying her very softly, very carefully. They are carrying her the bride is very light, so they are easily carrying her to her husband's house, and they are describing about the beauty of the bride, that she is shining like a star in the dew of their song. And it is also described she looks like a pearl in the string. So the pearl in the string looks very beautiful, bright and shining pearl, very soft textured, bright and shining pearl. So she is described as a pearl in the string. So very small poem, just go through it and don't forget to memorize this poem, very important poem written by Sarojini Naidu. And there is one more poem in the textbook which you have to do, you have to tick the rhyming words. So by heart this poem, and also about Sarojini Naidu. Some glossary words they have given here. Sway, moving from one side to another, like swaying, moving slowly from one side to another. And skim, glide smoothly over something, glide smoothly over something. Foam, small pebbles, small bubbles on the water. Gaily means happily. Dew, condensed drops of water. So these dews are considered always pure. So small condensed drop of water. Beam, ray of light. Brow, light, usually it is used for eyebrows, this eyebrows, but here it is used on top of the water here. So top of the water, when you see from distance, you see when you see from the distance, the water looks very bent. So same way, top of the water. Then glide means move. So by heart this poem. Other things I will describe in my next video. Till then, take care. Namaste.